Hello friends, today we learn how to book exam for Snowflake. So you need to open any browser whichever is available on your computer. Then search VUE/Snowflake. Go to this website. After that, continue to log in. Then login page will be open. Enter your ID password here. Login. Then go to schedule and manage exam. Manage my exam. After that, you need to select your exam whichever you want to give. I am selecting my exam Snow Pro Core certification. Then here select online mode. Next, language, exam language. Select your language. Click on this tick box. Read this carefully. Agree. English. What is language you prefer? Confirm your preferred time zone. Select your date for scheduling exam. Check the slots are available or not. Check your time carefully. Book this appointment. After that, wait for some time. Here you need to confirm your time zone and date, language, which exam you are giving. Confirm. Proceed. Here you need to pay for your exam. There are different methods for payments available on this. If you want any type of vouchers for any exam, we provide all types of voucher. You can directly DM us on YouTube or comment. Now we are entering voucher code. Apply. Next. Submit order. Here the exam process is done. Thank you.